Now 6.5 question number 11. So not a very difficult question again. So what is happening? An aeroplane is leaving an airport and flies north. So this is the aeroplane flying north and it is moving at a speed of 1000 kilometers per hour. Okay. And at the same time another plane is flying west. So here from west at a speed of 1200 kilometers per hour. Now remember, the speeds are given, not the distances. The time here is 1.5 hours. So 1.5 hours is 3/2 hours, right? Now we know that distance formula is speed multiplied by time. So I have the speed and the time, so I can find out the distance. So first I'll find out what is the distance traveled from B to A by the plane traveling west. So the speed given was 1200. Time is 3/2 because 1.5 is 3/2. And when you calculate this, 2 goes 600 times. 600 into 3 we get 1800. So this distance is 1800 kilometers. And what is this distance here? The speed is now given 1000, right? And the time is 3/2. So 1000 into 3/2 here. 2 goes 500 times. 500 into 3, 1500. So we've got the distances AB and BC. So this is 1800 and this distance is 1500. And we have to find out the distance between the planes here. That is AC has to be found out. So by applying Pythagoras we get 1800 square plus 1500 square equal to AC square. So this will become 324 and 4 zeros here, and this is also 22,50,000. I'm squaring this. When I'm adding this, I'll get 54,90,000. Now you'll take the square root of this. Again, it's not a perfect root, so what we can do is break it up into root of 549 into 100 into 100. Now what happens? The 100 comes out, so I can write it as 100 into root of 549. Now 549 factors you can find out here. So 549. So this goes by 3. 3 ones are 3. So this is 183. Again by 3 I can do 61 times. So what happened? Again the 3 forms a pair. So this can be written as 100. Root 549 I can write as 3 into 3 into 61. So 3 forms a group and comes outside, and 3 into 100 you will get 300. So that's how we are getting this answer, 300 root 61. Okay, so final answer we'll say the distance between the planes is 300 root 61, and the unit should be kilometers. The unit should be kilometer. Okay, so 300 root 61 kilometer.